My dear students of 11th Medical, today in botany we are going to take up types of aestivation and placentation. Aestivation is the mode of arrangement of sepals or petals in floral bud with respect to the other members of the same whorl. Four main types of aestivation are velvet, twisted, imbricate, and vexillary. Velvet aestivation, and this is the floral diagram for velvet aestivation. When sepals or petals in a whorl just touch one another at the margin without overlapping, as in case of calotropes rather. Second one is the twisted. When one margin of the appendage overlaps that of the next one, and so on, as in China rose, lady's finger, and cotton. This is the second one. And the third one is the imbricate. When the margins of the sepals or petals overlap one another, but not in any particular direction, as in cassia and gulmohar. This is the third one. And the fourth one is the vexillary. This is the vexillary aestivation. In P and peonies, the flowers have 5 petals. The large that you are visualizing at the top, this one, it is called as standard. It overlaps the 2 lateral wings, which in turn overlap the 2 smallest anterior petals, known as the keel. And the aestivation is vexillary or papilionaceous. This is a standard, and these 2 are the wings, and these 2 the keel. Now the placentation. The arrangement of ovules within the ovary is known as placentation. Various types of placentation are marginal, axial, parietal, free central, and basal. First we will take up the marginal. In this type of placentation, the placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture of the ovary, and the ovules are borne on the ridge, forming 2 rows, as in case of P. This is the marginal placentation. Second one is the axial. When the placenta is axial in ovule and ovules are attached to it in a multilocular ovary, as in China rose and lemon. This is the second one, that is axial placentation. And third, the parietal. The ovules develop in the inner wall of the ovary or on the peripheral part. Ovary here is 1-chambered, but it becomes 2-chambered when the phallus septum gets formed, as in mustard and agimone. And this is the parietal placentation. The fourth one is the free central placentation. When the ovules are born on central axis and septa are absent, as in dianthus and primrose. And this is the fourth one, that is the free central placentation. And the fifth one is the basal. The basal placentation develops at the base of the ovary. A single ovule is attached to it, as in sunflower and marigold. And this is the basal placentation. Thanks. Have a nice day.